Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to run Facebook ads for Shopify step by step. So as you can see right now on the screen, we're on Shopify over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to first set up your Facebook account. Now, what I recommend that you have for your Facebook is that you have a separate account that is not your personal account. And you're going to have to convert your personal account or your account that you have created, not a personal account, I mean, create a dummy account, and then you're going to have to convert that into a professional account. Now, this is not the tutorial for that, but anyway, after you ensure that you now have a professional account for your account that you have here, you can easily create pages just like this one. I just created a random page over here, which has a professional dashboard, as you can see, and ads manager and ad center over here. So this is what we need. These are the features that we need. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our Shopify. Now over here, click on your sales channel, or rather your apps, and click on all recommended apps. Over here, click on Shopify App Store, which will display all the apps that is available for us to add. And over here, simply search Facebook. Now, look for the option Facebook and Instagram. This, and easily click on install. Also, I recommend that you already log in your professional account in your Facebook so that connecting it is going to be straightforward and very easy. But anyway, over here, click on install. And let's give it a few moments over here to load. There we go. And now what we're going to do is in this page, as you can see, we're just basically going to connect our Facebook together with our Shopify. So we're here, as you can see, click on get started. And we're simply going to connect our account. So we have three main steps over here. So click on connect an account. Over here. So you can see, click on continue. Click on continue as Zach, or continue as whoever you are. Wait for your Shopify to be provided access. There we go. And I already created my business portfolio over here. But for you guys, you could click on create new. And it's just going to be very straightforward. You don't really need to do any complicated things, but simply click on connect. For the data sharing, you could enable it if you prefer. So let's save that for now. And I'm also going to connect it with my same business portfolio for my data tracking or data set, and simply accept the terms and condition and click on submit for review. Now what this is going to do is it's going to analyze our Facebook account, and of course its pages and its different access, if it's eligible for ads to run on Shopify, or like if it's eligible to connect with Shopify to be able to run some ads or any other Facebook and Instagram features that you are able to do with Shopify. So it's just basically going to confirm it. And as you can see, we were able to successfully confirm it. As it mentioned, it says active, meaning this is all good to go. We are now able to run ads on Facebook and Instagram. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click on create ad. There's also options over here where you are able to make your products available to Facebook and Instagram. So if you sell items in Shopify, you are also able to start selling and marketing on Facebook, as you can see here on the right side. So that's a pretty neat feature, but that is not our focus for today. So our focus is now our creation of our ads over here. So click on accept over here. Click on done. And as you can see, I have my Shopify business portfolio, and this is where we will be able to create our ads. So now to be able to create an ad, you're going to have to create a campaign. So over here, we have campaigns, but there's also ad specific over here on the top section. So let's click on create over here. And now you can now select the type of campaign that you're creating, whether it's for auction or reservation. Let's go with auction. Let's say sales. Since it's a Shopify, most likely you're going to be promoting sales. Click on continue. Over here, you could choose your campaign setup. Do you want it to be Advantage plus shopping campaign? Or so those are the only options. But or do you want to have manual setup over here? So it depends on what your preference is. If you want to save time and effort, you could go with the advanced plus shopping campaign. But if you want to manually modify things, you could also go with manual sales campaign over here. But anyway, let's click on continue for this option. And over here, we can now put in our different information. So first things first that you are able to add, of course, is the name of your campaign. You could modify this into a more specific if you prefer. After that, you could also add some special ads categories over here. You could categorize your ads, and you could also declare some category if applicable. So conversion location, choose where you want to drive sales. Of course, website. We're going to go with website because we want it to be redirecting to our Shopify store. Performance over here. And over here, Metapixel is required to publish. Set up your pixel or switch to a different optimization such as landing page viewers. So click on create pixel over here. So let's create a name for our pixel. There we go. Create pixel. And over here, we're going to add our website URL. So over here, let me get my website URL. Let's click on our apps over here or other online store. And let's preview it so we could access our URL link. So let's give it a bit to load over here. We're just going to preview it. There we go. View your store. And I'm going to copy my store over here. Then go back here. Paste it over here. Click on check. And as you can see, partner integration available. So we're just going to have that as well. Click on next. And there we go. So now it's going to allow us to connect to our Shopify. So simply click on go to Shopify. There's a lot of steps here, but as you can see, simply select your store. Give it a few moments to load. And we will have pixel migration over here. Let's wait for it. There we go. So what we're going to do here, I'm not sure what we're going to do. Let's check out over here. So visit the data maximum, choose maximum to get the best possible option. So after you do that, click on next. No activity yet. So verify you're working. Doesn't change to active. Let's see. We already have it or enabled, but anyway, you're just going to do this part as well. Verify the connection. And after that, you can now go through the other settings that you have here. Put in information about your ads, the budget, the schedule, what other stuff do you want to be promoting. And after you do all of this modification, simply click on next over here. And you should then be able to now upload or like initialize more information about your ads, like appearance wise over here. And after this, you can simply click on publish to be able to publish your ads. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.